announce you, Marito and Regina husband and wife, legally and lawfully wedded. Marito, is there anything that you would like to say to Regina?
First of all, thank you very much for accepting me and my being unworthy and capable, but you accepted me wholeheartedly. I thank you for that, and I will cherish and treasure that. Till my last breath, as I have said before. I will serve you, I will take care of you, till the end of my life. I promise that I will serve you, the kids, and love you forever.
Thank you. Honey, I know how scary it is to be married again. But I promise to spend the rest of my life with you. And I am accepting you as my partner now and forever.
Wala yung pag-limod-limod.
High school.
Nagkilig-kilig pa siya. Baga, gamay, mag-blue. Nahana pa siya. At tuwing na ako naglingkod, ang iyang desire nga pangit, kuyogon mi. Kuyogon niya ang minor na mga bata. Yes, January and February. Paano niya? Paano niya gawa? Kaming tulog. So, manang ako, kay nga naman ko yung passport. Kini mo na ikulang sa akong paglakaw, kung paluyan. Kining duha, wala pa yung passport. So, ang target naman is, kining duha, magkuyog yun yan. Kung ang U.S. Embassy o Gate A, mo-open na sila. So, manang nakadagadaw na si Ibig Juan. Mga binang tulong na mo. Gusto niya nga tuabi dito, at least na siya po, at peace po siya.
Ginoo sa iyong pag-supply kanunay sa mga panginahanglan, sa financial man, sa espirituhanong bahin. Salamat kay Ginoo nga wala juga naggulang kanina.
international weddings. Not, kind of like yours, they're in different countries. And I asked them, is there anything you would like to say to each other? And the bride said, I thought this was very beautiful. The bride said, thank you for everything you've done for me. You've done so much for me, and I hope that one day I can do even more for you. And I thought that was really great because, very often in a relationship, people, kind of get mad at each other and say, why did you do this? And instead, if we have the attitude, thank you for what you've done, I will do even more. And if you both do that, then you say, I will do even more. And then, he says, I will do even more. And he says, I will do even more. And all of a sudden, you're just making your marriage better and better. So I hope that the commitment you have together is long. I hope that you really try to make life better and happier for each other. And one more thing is that there's research that shows that one good way that couples, one thing that successful couples do is they look back together on the good times. So I hope that you often talk to each other and say, do you remember about this? Do you remember the time you did this? And that the good times will always be part of your life, and that you can keep your marriage happy. So congratulations. I'm glad that you have found each other. And Regine is the...
Are you 18 years old?
Are you 18 years old?
And now I'm going to read a poem, and then we'll do the last. So, you're getting married. Hey, I know it can be scary, but let's not start there. Let's start with a couple of the very best things, like how you're investing in each other. Not just as two lovers, but as family. Like how you're manifesting your decision to each other. So you get it, you're getting married, and there are scary parts, like the very parts of your soul that are the most uncomfortable to the person that you care about the most. And though you've been preparing, you're still a little wary of all those glaring things you didn't think of, on top of all the things you thought of. And so you're trying to take some pauses and staying positive amid making so many deposits and wondering, what am I getting myself into? The answer is, you can't know. It will be great and hard, both, sometimes at the same time. Sometimes your love will make it natural. Sometimes your partner will make it harder than it has to be. And if you're asking me for the secret to a happy marriage, I don't know. Because there's no medicine that you can take to make you more patient, no charm to perform to make your house spacious. I wish I could teach you some dances that would improve your finances, or I could give you a seed for money on trees. Since that's not going to happen, the best advice I have is commit. Be committed. Decide to commit for the long term through the learning curve. Try to observe and listen and serve, even if you deserve to reserve some small grievances. Just let them go. Make your honest best effort and expect that your partner will too. And remember, with deep breaths, directly. Be excited when your partner can read your mind, but don't expect it. If you hold things in, you'll explode, so talk it out and grow together. So good luck. Here's a toast to the happy couple. May you have perspective, be protective, increase the connection that you have now. May your health flow in abundance, and may you recall your wedding vows. Hope you share more than you think you can, that you both will clean the pots and pans, that you both will keep most of your teeth and all of your hair, and most of your teeth. I hope you make just a bit more money than you will ever need, and always delicious the home meals you will eat. Hope life isn't too easy, but it will be fun. May you grow in love and prosper, and stay committed to this one. Yes, so those are my wishes for you, and now we'll give you the chance. So, Marianito, is there anything that you would like to say to Regina?
First of all, thank you very much for accepting me and my being unworthy and capable, but you accepted me wholeheartedly, I thank you for that, and I will cherish and treasure that. Till my last breath, as I have said before. I will serve you, I will take care of you, till the end of my life. I promise that I will serve you, the kids, and love you forever.
Thank you.
Isn't that everything you'd like to say about Anita?
Honey, I know how scary it is to be married again, but I promise to stand for the rest of my life. And I am accepting you as my partner now and forever.
Okay, I think we're ready. So you can't be together to hold hands. I would say, take each other by the hand, but just pretend. So hold your own hand and pretend it's your partner. And I'm gonna ask you the question. Okay, so we'll start with the group. Marianito Leren Cervantes, do you take Regina Dumabot Cambatanta as your lawfully wedded wife?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Regina Dumabot Cambatanta. I'm sorry. Cambatanta. Do you take Marianito Leren Cervantes as your lawfully wedded husband?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Mila and Violeta, can you be witnesses for this couple?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. We have a bride, we have a groom, we have two witnesses. By the authority vested in me by Utah County in the state of Utah, in the United States, I hereby pronounce you, Margarito, and Regina, husband and wife, legally and lawfully wedded.
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. Is there anything that the family would like to say while we have you all together?
Do you have something to say? First,
Mom or sisters or aunties, anyone want to say anything?
do you have something to say? My mom is there. My mom is 84 years old. It's okay. There's something to say? She's a friend to speak of.
Okay, well, congratulations. I will send you a copy of this recording, and I will fill out the paperwork. And if you need anything, please reach out. I hope that you'll be together soon. And again, congratulations.
Thank you so much for making this possible for us. Thank you.
I'm happy for you, and may you have a very happy life together and be together soon.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Makatulog na niya magayang.
Ikaw rin na ipap-sleep. Ako po to eh. Kung ang nagpa.
Sa yung pagkaon nila.
Kasi pagkaon niyo, may. Kasi
Sa
food
yung
naman
pagkaon
eh.
mo, dahil makaroni.
Ulit food. Deliver mo ang food.
Uy.
Kung kulit yan, may gutom na kaya. Kung buong kabisik, dili ba napaso na may pamanga, may panigod to.
Kanan sa mong diet.
Ay, namote.
Pero
Okay.
Di kawin ni Bea, ito yung pandi.
Nasa mong kaday?
Pero ma'am.
Nasa mo din mong kasakal?
Boyfriend! Kailan! May stress na. Pressure ka lang ba, Charles?
Kami na pala kong kasi na
Ay, palo.
Anya na og makabalik na mo dire.
Hi,
Bitaw na ugma.
Pag-iyon na kaya ko din ha.
Ay, matay.
Patuwa sa si Hana, ma'am.
Ready na ba yung costume ni Bibi? Naka-long sleeve na. Isang perting igama. Long sleeve mamaya siya, Ming. Ayaw sa daw.
Pagkanta sa dali, magkabot pa.
Nasa New York.
Ama to New York. New York.
Okay.